This is it, the moment the search ends. You've been looking for performance, you've been looking for space, you've been looking for the ultimate riding experience. Welcome to the next generation. This is the Zontes 368K. It is not just a scooter, it is the definitive answer to your daily needs and your weekend dreams. Look at it. The sleek bodywork isn't just for show. It houses a true maxi-scooter architecture with unprecedented capacity. Comfort here isn't an option. It's the standard. The riding position is spacious, fully adaptable to you with 2 adjustable handlebar positions. Whether you are battling the winter wind or cruising in the sun, you are protected. With a wide, electrically adjustable windscreen, handguards, and heated grips, the elements don't stand a chance. And take note of the finish, the quality of the paint, the texture of the materials. Every detail is designed to impress. But a maxi scooter needs to be practical. Open the seat, and you'll find an impressive storage compartment. It's fully lined, equipped with lighting, hydraulic springs, and, crucially, enough space for 2 full-face helmets. Need power on the go? You have 2 USB ports, including a standard and a USB-C, right there in the storage area. Up front, the convenience continues. A 3rd-generation keyless proximity system gives you central locking control over the seat, the fuel tank, and the spacious glove compartments. It is seamless technology that just works. Now look at the cockpit. This is where the 368K truly separates itself from the competition. You are looking at a massive, fully configurable 6.75-inch TFT instrument panel. It monitors everything, even your tire pressure and temperature. It features screen mirroring to display your smartphone directly on the dash. And for safety and memories, it comes standard with an advanced HD recording system, front and rear wide-angle cameras equipped with a Sony night vision sensor and 128 gigabytes of internal memory. You capture every moment, day or night. But what is beauty without power? The 368K possesses the highest performance engine in its class. We are talking about 38.8 horsepower and 40 Newton-meters of torque. This is the soul that drives this machine with incredible ease. Equipped with Bosch fuel injection, 2 distinct riding modes, and traction control, it offers a level of safety and excitement that will have you planning routes you never thought possible on a scooter. And don't worry about the distance. With a massive 17-liter fuel tank and consumption of just 3.4 liters per 100 kilometers, the road goes on forever. It handles like a dream thanks to a redesigned frame, adjustable shock absorbers, and a twin clamp fork. Stopping is precise with J1 4-piston radial front calipers. Despite all this technology, all this luxury, and a dry weight of just 176 kilograms, the most shocking detail remains: the price. Just €4,592. Performance, technology, value. This is the Zontes 368K.